is stuck. The Jeep was trying to go around him in the other lane.
Is it a Jeep Liberty?
Or whatever that SUV is. And he's fucking stuck. He like backed up and made a running start and then got sideways and this is on Lake Street in Minneapolis. In the great blizzard of fucking April 14th when it should be spring. This is ridiculous.
Look at that. He's just gunning it. Stop gunning it. You'd make it through. Turn right. You're not turning. This guy has no idea what he's doing. He's focusing on the windshield. Just walk it through. This is not gonna... No one's letting me in, so I'll just wait.
Of course.
It's Lake Street. I'll give this shit away. That bus is more than stuck. Everyone's getting off.
Yep. Welcome to spring in Minnesota.
Look, I have no problem. Winter tires. There's no winter tires in that bus. Those are just back to the